Hi, this is Jerry at Burning Spear Entertainment. Hey, I'm just getting home after representing Blizzard Lighting tonight at the Eastern Pennsylvania Mobile Entertainers Network. And it was a group of about 30 DJs who got their first look at Blizzard Lighting tonight. Some of the guys actually did mention that he saw Blizzard Lighting on YouTube, which was kind of cool. But we got to unveil a lot of things they hadn't seen before, and one of the things that we got to unveil to them tonight was a brand new light, which is a 3-watt tri-LED puck, which will be coming out real soon. It's so new, in fact, it doesn't even have a name. So if you have some name suggestions for this awesome light, feel free to post them or send an email to Blizzard, and maybe your name will be the permanent name of the new puck. So we're going to show you some video clips coming up from tonight's meeting. You'll get to see some of the lights firsthand and get also some feedback what these guys thought of them. Check it out. Good afternoon, this is DJ Jerry, Burning Spear Entertainment, working on behalf of Blizzard Lighting today. We're here at an Eastern Pennsylvania Mobile Entertainers group. There's going to be probably about 20 to 30 DJs here tonight. So we brought a bunch of toys for these guys to play with. Starting at the far left is the Flurry Spot, the Flurry Wash, the Polaris, the Blizzard Aurora. And here is a brand new light from Blizzard. It's so new it doesn't even have a name yet. So if there's some suggestions that you have for a name, feel free to email us. You know, we're open for all new ideas for this. It is a 3-watt tri-LED, about the size of the puck, which is 8 inches squared, about 2 inches deep. And right next to it is the puck, and also the Colorstorm Par. And in front we have the Colorstorm 252. And we'll be taking some occasional video throughout the night, show these in use. Alright, here we are once again at the Eastern Pennsylvania Mobile Entertainers Network. Here's the puck behind the facade. And here's our little Blizzard display. There's the Colorstorm 252. Over here is the Flurry Spot. Flurry Wash. The Polaris. The Aurora. Here's a brand new light from Blizzard once again. It's so new that it doesn't even have a name, but it's a tri-LED,
like when you told
3-watt.
He called you back, right?
Here's the puck. And the Colorstorm Par. Go down the line again. There's a bunch of members from the group. They're still rolling in.
Yes.
Say hello.
Hey, how are you?
This is going to be on YouTube later tonight. There's Adam Scuba.
How you doing?
And once again, there's the puck, lighting up the facade. Facade. And that is Steve.
I'm Steve C., creator of the Facade. That's the facade that everybody's on.
There's Adam Scuba.
Yeah.
There's guys here. Guys are still rolling in. Once again, we have our pucks lighting up the facade. Level 2 lighting them up.
Yeah, when I was writing,
Alright, you have a lot of new faces, and that's a great thing to take, you know. We have a lot of new faces here tonight, which is great, because that means that our message is growing, our message is reaching the audience. And really what we're here to do is bring DJs together to network and educate and just give you guys some new ideas that help you make more money.
They're mine. And if you take a picture of me, the problem is it adds like 10 pounds. It's going to look like you used 6 cameras. When you get closer to the wedding, inside of a month, there are things that you need to do. You want to keep in touch with the client, of course, and other vendors. If you're doing video screens, call up the photographer, the videographer, introduce yourself.
So what do you think of the Blizzard products?
Oh, they're fantastic. They've been blinding me all night. By blinding me, I mean they really are great. Actually, no word of a lie, earlier today I had the opportunity to check out the shop, the Colorstorm Par, and it really wasn't what I originally anticipated. It really wasn't bright. I mean, this puck, I mean, I'm standing here, it's literally blinding me, which is a great thing. Because when you get into situations where you're doing uplighting, you're doing some background lighting, anywhere where you use this part cam type application, lighting, the brightness is definitely the key. And this, compared to the slim bar, I'm not looking at them side by side, but definitely this is a brighter fixture. And it really is bright blindingly. No, these are great products. And, I'm glad that we have Blizzard lighting here with us tonight. I'm glad that we're going to do a demonstration for us. Look forward to having future meetings and always do new products with us.
So what do you guys think of the Blizzard stuff?
So far, pretty impressive for what I've seen. Saw it on YouTube. I wanted to see if it was as good as it looked in person.
You guys have any questions, comments? Okay. Sorry to put you on the spot.
That's my cereal.
So Steve, what'd you think about the Blizzard lighting with your...
I'm very impressed. The Blizzard lighting is very, very bright for a small package. The pricing is right on the mark. I think they're going to do very well with the product. And I myself am looking at it pretty closely.
There you go. Would you recommend them to your customers who buy your seeds?
We have them on display tonight here. We lit the panels keenly. They're small, they're portable, and they're DMX controlled.
What would you like to say?
Besides Harry Nicholson, thank you.
Telephone poles looking better by the moment.
All right, so what do you think about your Blizzard lights that you purchased?
I am so excited about my new Blizzard pucks. I'm using them Wednesday morning at a photo shoot to uplight a catering hall that has never before had the opportunity to uplight and sell to their clients.
And this has been another presentation of the Blizzard lighting in use.